on, guys? Back at it with another one.
I like that. Now right here, we're about to do
alternator swap.
Yep.
My shit went bad.
He's putting out this piece of shit with this bad motherfucker right here.
It's a high idle alternator, so it should be a whole lot better for this cam truck.
I think it's the same one that I put on mine.
Yeah, so.
Should be an easy little fix. A little quick.
We're about to swap it out. Fast motion, I guess. Time lapse.
So time lapse.
Alrighty. Let's have to take this bitch off.
But what'd you do though?
Easy work. Take out these 2 screws. 1, 2. The power one. And then you just disconnect this one. And that's it. Oh, and loosen. Yeah, loosen it.
Here's the tensioner right here. Just pull it up. Move the belt. It comes right out. And on with the new one.
It just pops right in. Huh?
Yep.
You gotta wiggle it a little bit.
Where's the screwdriver?
In the middle, another like.
Right there.
No. In the middle. Oh, mommy.
It's tight,
Put
so.
it in. Yeah, right there. Stop.
Yeah.
We literally have 0 space in this shit.
Should run a mallet. Beat it a little bit.
Mira, te dio el screw y todo.
Where's the 15?
15, you had it?
I did?
Yeah.
You had it. He had it.
Everybody had it.
Like your shirt, dog.
That's 16.
Thank you. Best anime ever made.
That's right.
Go. Fuck Naruto. And fuck whoever likes it too.
Alright.
¿Tienes dos? Oh. A su madre.
¿Qué?
Damn.
¿Este pan con huevo?
Yeah. Where's the...
¿Qué?
No, I got it.
Oh, I got you. ¿Por qué muy serios, muchachos?
Huh?
¿Por qué muy serios?
Go.
Pinch your finger, dog.
God damn. Ahí está.
Slide down, my friend.
Wait.
Wait, hold up. Pues tú eres el de aquel lado, güey.
No, man, dog.
Oh, fuck. Pull that one out and then put that one in over there.
No mames. Damn.
Okay.
Is that all it goes? Damn, I didn't see that. Everything good? So,
I'm good over here.
go. Is that all it goes? No mames, baby.
Yeah, I think so.
Dude.
A ver.
Espérate.
Oh shit, nigga, what the fuck? A ver.
What the fuck?
That can't be all it goes. quieres subir la güey, si no. How's that?
Nope.
Ni mergas.
No, no matter. No, no llega. What the hell?
Is it sitting all the way in there with the grooves over there at the bottom? It's all the way in?
Yeah, this is good. Go again. No, this is what I struggle with on mine too.
Get a flathead or
Yeah, where's the
screwdriver.
flathead? Son of a bitch. I forgot how my dad did it. I think. Nope.
Hold it. You want to hold it over here? You want to switch spots, Scott? Your hand's tied.
Hold it.
Hold it over there. All right, ready?
Yeah, go.
What the fuck? It don't seem right.
What?
It don't seem right that it's not. Like theta. Oh, wait, it fell out over here, that's what. Son of a bitch. Pídelo otra vez.
Seems to be the issue, sir.
The same shit I do, or happened to me. That shit sucks. Y yo solo until my dad got home and he helped me. Yeah, he did it with the flathead too, and it finally went on after a little bit. Fuck.
¿Qué vas a hacer, MacGyver?
Lube it up. Lube it up right quick. It's just soap and water. So, let's see how it goes. Damn, that bitch is hard.
Yeah. Wait.
It'll probably straighten up once we turn on the truck now.
Pop it.
What do you mean, Pop?
Pop a bit.
Turn it on?
Yeah.
Do I let go?
Wait, but my battery's dead as shit though.
Hold on.
Do I let go?
Yeah, let go.
Better.
Yeah, just pop it.
If it turns on, cause my shit was dead as shit.
Put it in here.
Turn it?
And just turn it. No, not those. The ones in the bag. In the corner. The other ones in the corner.
These? Oh, these?
Yeah. It's too big. Still too big. Too small.
Yeah, I think it'd be better if we just pop it one time. Ready?
Yeah, I'm not in the way. Careful, don't pop. To that one? Yeah. Yeah.
That bitch is tight. That bitch is tight.
Be careful when you floor it. Might not bust it.
Hey, I'm gonna throw that song, bitch. If it breaks, all we do is replace it.
Nah,
Hey, we don't drive Camrys over here. Like the boy behind the camera. We throw this shit. You see how it does it? That little clicking sound? I think my starter's going out next. That's what happens when you're building trucks. It needs to be junk. bet this was the problem. The speaker wire. What size is that?
The what?
Like 15 maybe. One of these two. I guarantee it's gonna be my problem. I started doing it ever since I hooked this bitch up.
Okay.
I went over there and bought a whole new alternator.
What happened?
To 13, bro.
It's bigger.
16.
It's an 18. Well, it's not all the way tight. The bitch wasn't tight.
What is it, your subs?
Yeah. Ever since I connected the sub wire, I've been having that issue with it cutting off. The bitch wasn't even tight. It's just stripping up. I'm gonna disconnect myself from there. Wait.
Uy, se apagó otra vez.
Yeah. I guess I gotta press corriente again. I'm starting to think that my issue wasn't as big as I thought it was. My alternator just wasn't hooked up.
Oh, money, more problems.
Turn on that truck over there. That's how it is when you want to have race trucks and sound good. Have a good sound system. Run to shit like this. That's why we make these videos like this. Save your asses from shit like this. Those subs were the problem.
Huh? The subs? Yeah,
I mean that was the problem.
what do you have to do?
Direct wire right here.
Oh.
You got a bump. You know, a regular person will leave my subs out. I can't leave my goddamn subs out. I gotta sound good inside and outside.
What you think?
That's watching that.
Back.
Oh, now we bumping. Trying to hit.
Hay niveles del respeto de la gente me he ganado. Clase y 5,000 en la cancha.
So guys, reason for this, for no updates and shit like that. We ran into some difficulties with that damn hoist not working, and I didn't want to pick this damn bed up with my hands, because that shit's fiberglass, and when you pick up right here, before I got it painted, that shit broke, and I had it fixed, and I'm scared to do it again, picking it up with our hands, because this shit gonna break, and I ain't trying to break that bitch. But seems like we're gonna have to do it anyway. Get this bed off. Hopefully nothing breaks, and we'll go from there with a fuel pump. Probably tomorrow since it's getting late. So yeah, done. Success for now. Oh, and another thing. We're about to replace these. Jack it up a little more. These bushings are wore out anyway, and I need to jack it up a little more. Well, I don't need to, but I want to. You know, lift it up 2 more inches so they can clear my tires and my wheels.
So what are we gonna do tomorrow?
Fuel pump. So stay posted.